Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to another banger episode. If you guys haven't watched the G35 versus the NISSAN Z, that was a huge hit. Check it out. Pretty interesting race. Nissan Z. Nissan Z, bro. Z. Nissan Z versus G35. Anyways, another requested video you guys had in mind was that Nissan Z versus the Toyota Supra. So we're gonna bring that to you guys in today's video. But before we show you all of that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the builds, including the Supra. We have an exhaust install and sound check for you guys. So we're gonna be editing that and uploading here on YouTube. Enough of that. Let's talk about the Supra, what it's got done, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the Z. Let's get the race started. Ready?
All right, man. Everybody, welcome, my friend.
What's up, guys? As you guys know me, my name is Cameron. This is the owner of my car.
What? What the?
My car, I'm the owner of it. As you guys have seen in previous videos, we've done a lot on this car. It's not stock. It's the A90, so not the A91. This is the 2-port. It's running on flex fuel and full bolt-ons basically. So I have the downpipe, the tune, and I'm on E. So yeah, I'm excited to race you and see what happens.
Okay.
It's crazy because that's twin turbo. This is single turbo.
Let me tell you a little bit about the Z. It's pretty much stock. It's a stock Nissan Z.
And it's heavier than stock too because you got this.
It's heavier than stock because I've installed the airbag suspension, so. Yeah. It's already at a disadvantage.
I know the odds are not looking too well.
It's not looking too hot right now, but fuck it.
We'll see what happens.
All right, guys. So there you guys have it. Tune bolt-on Supra versus the Nissan Z. A lot of you guys may already know the result, but if you don't, it's gonna be an interesting one. But enough talking. Let's head over to the dyno track. You already know, undisclosed location. Actually, it is disclosed Mexico. I said that in the last video. Before we begin the race, guys, I need you guys to do me a solid. My brother, when I went to Los Angeles, my brother Josiah, he's a filmer for Gintani, for those of you guys who don't know, where I had the opportunity to partner up with him and do a sick ass film with the Nissan Z when it first came out. And so here is his work. It's absolutely sick. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna play that short film for you guys and then we'll do the races. So without further ado, let's begin the film.
Later, bro.
Somebody, baby mama, inside of the bed while I'm tryna tip. Shawty say she holding got a razor in the lip. Mix my cup and twist one up, I love that ratchet shit. She like ice out wrist, ice out wrist. Fuck don't kiss, fuck she fuck don't kiss. Jump right in, let room in this bed.
And we're just gonna do a quick little fun run with my brother Cameron. He's got a tuned Supra. He's gonna gap me, but hey, it's just one run. This is for our future of where we need to be at.
We're going against the Z. I'm in comfort mode and I have my valves closed, so it's very quiet. You're just gonna hear intake noises. I mean, look at these shifts. Like, it's like smooth. Look at that, that's like a delay. Who is gonna win? The Z or the Supra?
The rest of the honks, bro. He just hit one.
I saw him going.
That was not close, bruh.
That was?
I mean, at second gear, but after that, it was just. All right, guys, so that was the race. We only did 2 runs. It was like not even close. There was literally no purpose. We did 2 runs with the Z and the Supra. The Supra just absolutely took off. I believe he did something different between both runs.
I tried the anti-lag version, or the anti-lag in the first run. And basically what happens is it just only held it at 3 PSI versus when I can just like hold on the throttle and I just get instant. And the thing is, his car builds boost so slow. So by the time he's up to boost, I'm already well gone. And I'm actually interested to see what happens when we run it just stock for stock. Because I will put the tune, like the stock tune back on, I'll run 91 and race him again and see how that goes. Because that will be more interesting, I feel like.
Yeah, that would definitely be.
Twin
Especially
scroll
if it's a
versus
2020, because didn't the 2021 get faster than
Yeah,
the 2020?
2021 is faster because they got the 6-port and I think they did some head work as well. So definitely going to see how that goes. It's 40 horsepower more, I think.
Yeah,
it's like 330 to 370.
Did you see that viral video where they raced the Mustang, the Z, and the Supra?
Yeah. Oh,
you
was that
see
a
it?
2021?
That's what I was gonna ask you. Is it a
I don't
2021
know.
or
It could have
2020?
been. It could have been. I think that's the most fairest way to do it because
Right.
what? It's a 2023 Z versus a 2022 Supra.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be interesting.
So maybe 2020 Supra versus the Nissan CM actually might be like that
might-
even, or it might be a crazy race.
Don't know. I mean, mine's turbo spools way faster than yours.
Yeah,
so
true.
so and plus, I don't know if the downpipe will do anything. I mean, at stock map, I
Right.
don't know if he'll do. Maybe it frees it up because I know top end on the Supra suck.
Right.
So
I
we'll
don't
see.
know. We might have to do
We'll
that.
see.
Might be another
Comment down
top
below
end
if you guys
race.
want to see that.
Yeah,
Comment
yeah.
down.